What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin and how it potentially could break out and be the leader when it comes to retail coming back to crypto. I was recently listening to an interview yesterday with Raul Paul, and he comes at it from a very technical standpoint. And Raul Paul was talking about how Dogecoin is one of the best looking charts in all of crypto compared to Bitcoin. Now, remember, Dogecoin is massive, massive market cap, 32 plus billion dollars, huge volume numbers. We're talking about a top 10 crypto that has been around almost as long as Bitcoin. It's proof of work, and it has the most influential person in the world behind it. That's Elon Musk. And in this video, we're going to take a look at a couple different things. We'll take a look at one of their token unlocks that's coming. This has people nervous, me not so much. I continue to hold Dogecoin. We were stacking it, at around 8-9 cents for a really long time. And right now, currently sitting at about 21 cents. I agree with Raul Paul, and I'll tell you why throughout this video as to why I think Dogecoin could totally outperform a lot of some of the other top cryptos here. We've been waiting for Dogecoin to potentially get to $1. And I do think that's going to happen at some point. I call it in this cycle, but I don't even know if cycles are a real thing anymore in crypto. That's another whole debate for another video. Are the 4-year cycles still alive? Are they pretty much done with? But anyway, let's get into it, guys. Go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And it is Monday morning, May 19th, getting ready to start another week. Yesterday was wild for crypto. We exploded up over $107,000 Bitcoin. We've come way back down here in the last 24 hours. Again, we popped up. We grazed 107 around 8 o'clock Eastern last night. 12 hours later, we're back down to 1026. So we've lost about 4K on that price, but still range bound, still look really, really solid here in the 7-day, holding up well. And you zoom out here in the last month, and we're up 20+% on the Bitcoin chart. Things looking really, really good here still. But when we look at Dogecoin and their chart, this is the monthly chart for Dogecoin. So we have been in a nice uptrend since we came down to like 5-6 cents. This was back in the bear market, guys. Most of 2022 and 2023, we were down below 10 cents. Dogecoin had a massive run up in November. We almost got to 50 cents there back in October and November 2024. We've come back down, but we're creating higher lows on the monthly time frame. You guys can see what's happening here. Our last breakout took us to 48 cents. I think our next breakout here, which is, in my opinion, we're in the midst of it right now. Our next big breakout, I think, is going to take the Dogecoin price to all-time highs. And there's really no telling where we could go. Now, we did wick up to 75 cents. That's our all-time high on Dogecoin. I think we can go much higher than that when we get this next breakout. We're up 41% here in the last year. And again, Raul Paul just said, hey, from a technical standpoint, things are looking absolutely phenomenal. If we look at the technicals here, moving averages look pretty strong. The only thing we're looking at right now is the EMA 200, and we are basically right on it as we speak at 21.6. We are literally right on that EMA, the exponential moving average 200-day. So holding that line is going to be crucial for this uptrend to continue. But to me, this 21 cent level, it's going to be taken care of easily once we get into a broader market uptrend with altcoins. And I think it's starting to reverse. Now, can we get some cool down time before we have the massive run? Of course. And usually the summers are kind of quiet, but we shall see. I think this cycle is completely different. Now, I want to get into some more things with Doge here, but a quick plug here to BTCC. If you guys are looking to trade Dogecoin or any of the top altcoins, come on over with BTCC. We've got a ton of people trading with us over here, up to 500x leverage, guys. No VPN, no KYC necessary. They've got tokenized stocks and Forex so you could trade, buy and sell from hundreds of 300+ crypto futures. This exchange has been trusted by millions of people for 13 plus years and running. When you sign up today using my link, you're going to get 40% lower trading fees, extra bonuses up to $10,000 per user. All signups unlock secret community rewards, and you get a 10% deposit bonus on all deposits above $500. These are exclusive benefits for all first time depositors under my link and my link only. So check it out, link down below in the description. And of course, I've got my trading indicator XT Algo if you're looking to level up your game and have the insight you need to take advantage and actually win trades when you're trading over at BTCC. Come on over and sign up with XT Algo. A little over $1 a day gets you started right now. Definitely encourage you guys to check it out. So we do have an unlock coming with Dogecoin. A lot of people concerned with unlocks. You know, if you're playing the long game here, whatever asset it is, because we do have quite a few token unlocks coming. And here's kind of a decent breakdown of what we've got. You know, we've got Solana, Dogecoin, BitTensor Tao's got an unlock coming. Sweeze had a ton of unlocks, AVAX. But as long as you're playing the long game, sure, you can see some short-term volatility. But technically speaking, Doge has a bullish breakout indicator with price momentum increasing toward the 25-cent mark. And again, it is having difficulty breaking through the 200 EMA line, which again, we are right at it as we speak. We have been higher than it. We did touch up to 25 cents, just weren't able to sustain it. And again, if we look over here, over the last few days, the Dogecoin price has struggled to hold up over that 200-day line. But once we do, and we comfortably get into that 25-cent range, we are really looking bullish for a next leg up for Dogecoin. So this doesn't concern me all that much in terms of the token unlock. Short-term volatility, of course, but you know, Dogecoin's a long-term play for me, relatively long-term within this cycle, because I do think once retail comes back into the fray, this is going to be an asset that they could flock to. They will flock to. It's got the brand awareness. It's got the recognition. Even if you didn't invest in Dogecoin, you know, back in 2021 during the craze of crypto, you know about it, right? And a lot of people will flock back to things they know once they start coming back into the markets. And I think Dogecoin will reap the rewards. So don't forget about the granddaddy of them all when it comes to meme coins. Dogecoin is far above anything else, right? 4x bigger than anything else. 4x bigger than SHIB. It's 6x plus bigger than Pepe, right? 15x bigger than Trump meme coin. It's kind of crazy when you look at it, you know, holistically and just see how big Dogecoin is with the overall meme coin market cap at 65 billion. Look at this, Dogecoin making up 32 billion of it. That means that's pretty crazy. A little over 50% dominance when it comes to all meme coins. That is Dogecoin, guys, right at the top. And again, comfortably sitting in the top 10. I think we're easily going to blow past the $1 level once we get this next big breakout in the market. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Appreciate you all for watching. And again, check out the links down below to BTCC and, of course, XT Algo. If you guys want to get that trading indicator, you could try it out risk-free for 30 days. We got a 30-day money-back guarantee. Super easy to use. I walk you through how to set it all up, and you get your all your alerts ready to go, and you could be taking advantage of using this tool. Start right now. Links down below, guys. Appreciate you for watching.